And welcome to this tutorial, where we are going to explain encoding properties, and how to transcode media in Mistika Workflows. This is a general overview of the transcoding panel, but there are several tutorial links throughout the video, covering some of the features in greater detail. Let's use the ProRace node as an example, as the structure of the properties and all the encoding nodes in Mistika Workflows is the same. Let's start with the transcoding panel. In this section you will find all the essential encoding parameters. Let's get to know each of them in detail. If you select the Enable Frame Range option, two drop-down menus will open. The first frame enables you to set the exact point of where you want to start the render. In the second menu, you can set the render duration. You can choose the codec to establish the compression of your file, based on the selected format. You can pick the group of pictures structure and the resolution, which can be selected from the list of the most common presets, or you can customize it to your preferences. With the Fit option, you can scale the media to a new resolution, and if the aspect ratio changes, you can decide whether to adjust the width or the height. You can also change the frame rate of your rendered media. When you activate this option, a new drop-down menu will appear, displaying different frame interpolation options. By default, it will always appear in the nearest frame mode. In addition, you can also choose the following options: change clip duration, blend frames, optical flow, and trim if timecode is odd. Choose if you want your video interlaced. Mistika Workflows always keeps your original timecode. However, you can overwrite it, and create a new one if needed. Select if you want drop frame or non-drop frame. In the Audio Codec tab you can pick between different options. You can export your media without the audio, by choosing None option. You can embed it, or render it as an independent file, in several common formats. After the transcoding, you'll find the Metadata panel, where you can choose to export XMP or a CSV file, containing the relevant metadata information. Here, you can also change the tape name of your file, choosing from these three different options. In the Unicolor panel, you can change the output color space with the ability to create custom gamma and gamut output, or choose from the most common color spaces. In the 3D LUT panel, you can add your LUTs located in a dedicated folder. Additionally, you can also decide to add display filters to your media. In the Virtual Slate panel, you can insert the clip name or the time code in all the frames of your media, or only in the first 1, 2, or 5 frames. The Name Convention panel refers to the structure of the output name that our workflow will have. Finally, you can choose to enable Render Farm option. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, or follow us on social media if you want to keep up with the latest news on Mistika technology. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.